The amount of waste from weddings across the nation is bizarre. After days of festivities, when you look back, it feels all in vain. As responsible citizens, it is high time we recognize this and try to bring about a change. A few of us have already stepped towards making this change. And together, we still have a long way to go.
As we can see, the entire world is moving towards a more conscious path. They are thinking about nature, they are thinking about environment.
So what are you doing to push eco-friendly weddings or zero-waste weddings as they call it?
If you would have noticed, most of the hotels are now using solar panels for generation of electricity. So there is a lot of fuel and resources which are saved in that. All hotels, even outdoor venues have now gone in for rainwater harvesting, because in every venue, for the cleaning and for the wash-ups of the kitchen area, there's a lot of water consumption. So the harvested rainwater, kind of helps in that, and you're not consuming it from a natural water resource. So that kind of really moves us a step forward. Other than that, you would have noticed that from what it used to be, the stage lighting that we used to use earlier used to be 1000 watt Power 64 lights, right? And everyone has now moved to LEDs. Now, compared to a 1000 watt Power 64, it is now being replaced by a 8 watt or a 16 watt or a 30 watt LED power. And it's a huge drop. So as a result, the generators that we earlier used to require, जहाँ हम 125 kVA लगाते थे for only lights, वहाँ today in a 64 kVA you have sound, light and LED all running. That step forward has already happened. You can say it's because of the advance of technology, but the industry has already moved that forward.
So I'm really happy that you spoke about this, because this is the call of the hour. As a company, we've been trying to work on this for a while. In fact, I've been part of an organization called Robin Hood Army, which distributes excess leftover food to the needy and required. But also what's important for us to really understand, and for everybody else to understand as well, is that there is very little wastage that happens in an event, because you see there's a huge crew in terms of the catering, in terms of the support crews and all, who are there after the event. So our first preference is to give it to them. What's been really successful for us is that post the event, there is a little party amongst the vendors and their staff and laborers. So these things would always be a great start, and slowly and steadily you will see organizations that have come up who are helping you through plan the entire eco-friendly wedding.
Would you call yourself environmentally conscious?
I am conscious, but then it's not that I practice a lot, because again there are a lot of says has to be from the client's end. You can always recommend, suggest certain things.
So what is Moksh suggesting in general to push towards a sustainable environment?
You start doing sit-down dinners, maybe a 4-course, 5-course, 6-course, 7-course. Still, compared to an Indian wedding, a grand Indian wedding, you'd at least save 40% of your food wastages for sure.
40%.
40% every wedding, 100%. Given the way what we do is 10 desserts and 10 starters and 7 and something. Once you do sit down, it's precise and there's no waste, because you sit in your plate, you get fresh food, you eat, it's taken away. And in fact, given the new normal also, it fits well because of the social distancing, people not touching the the buffet and all that stuff.
पहले लंबी लाइन से बुफे लगती थी. मतलब कि if you want to have a raita, you have to really take a golf cart and find a raita there.
Right.
But no more now. People say कि मुझे select and nice and eatable menus दीजिए.
मुझे
concise menus दीजिए, where I want to enjoy stuff. I don't want to show off.
Yeah. So what is the best? आप मेरे को बस वो दो.
Best दो. तो आज cuisines की कमी नहीं है. People are exposed to the world cuisines now.
Right. So you mentioned food. What apart from that? और क्या-क्या चीज़ आप कर रहे हो?
Decor में देखिए ना. Decor में पहले बोलते मेरे को एक महल बना के दो. मेरे को you do a replica of this certain kind of stuff. Gradually, youngsters have realized it. They don't want to do structure. महल बनाना नहीं है. महल में जाके शादी करना है. पहले होता था कि यहाँ पर एक जगह लेकर के हम महल बनवा के शादी कर रहे हैं. दुनिया चेंज हो गई. They want originality. India being the youngest population, the decision making power has moved from a 60-year-old uncle to he's moved to the 35 to 45-year-old generation.
One change which I would like to possibly see in the way the industry is functioning now is garbage disposal, right? At the end of every wedding, there is a huge amount of garbage. As event managers or as venues or as decorators, if we start keeping a team in place which can segregate this garbage into different sections, different types, and dispose properly, I think this will be really helpful.
Well, there's an organization called Fool that works with recycled flowers to produce agarbattis and stuff. So if we can get them on board, and
That's really nice.
They can collect the flowers that we have, the excess flowers that can be put to use.
If you could give us some examples of how can we minimalize the wastage in a wedding as a host?
Great question you brought up, and I think this is great because we can look at Evites.
Gone are the days when you would send laddus as invitations. You can send planters, reusable gift items, handicrafts. You promote your Indian handicrafts. Try at least as much as we can to source these things from NGOs, from women supporting groups. Small things make a difference. Like there is this concept which is still very prevalent where people give out paper carry bags. Avoid that. Avoid a plastic carry bag. Move over to a jute carry bag. Person can take home and maybe use it again. Things like that are coming into the picture and we are definitely incorporating it.
हम लोग जब होटल्स में हॉस्पिटैलिटी करते हैं, जो किट जाता है टॉयलेटरीज का, we can stop using the plastic toothpaste and the shampoo का plastic, जो भी plastic का है, and go into bamboo products. That is again you're using
Sustainability
and
recyclable products.
Exactly. One is basically seed paper. They are handmade papers made out of seed or compost. These are paper जो आपका utilization होने के बाद if you put it in soil they'll grow into plants.
Oh wow.
So you have to do your research and take conscious decisions. Individual firms should take responsibility कि जितना हद तक हो पाए, do your bit, and I'm sure धीरे धीरे it will leave an impact on this planet. एकदम.